Hey YouTubers, it's Picking Along and welcome to another episode. So, while the block is at the machine shop, would you like to guess what's in this degreasing tank? I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see what we're going to rip out today. Oh, it's the pistons. And look how clean they're coming up. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. Probably needs to stay in there a bit longer, but it should be okay. Oh. Bear with me because I'm doing everything one-handed while I'm recording. Look at that. See what that degreaser does? Perfect. Just to show you how clean things are coming up. Because you don't want to leave them in there too long. I also got the oil pump in there. Oh, yuck. Yuck. Look at that, disgusting. For all my viewers out there, I doubt the missus will be happy when she sees the lawn all burnt and black, but I've been cleaning all this out on the medium strip, and I think a few people that walk past have been stepping in the grease, so they cut my hose. So I'm doing everything in the back now. So look at the difference just with a hose. Just so when I rebuild it, I'm not getting all this grime on me again. Yeah, I'll do one more piston for you guys. Oh, ta-da! If you can see closely, I've actually marked it, and that's number 4. Just so when I rebuild, I know which one goes where. But look at the difference. That's the difference there. And voila, just like that, voila. Voila, it's clean. Perfect. It's clean. What number was this one? Number 3? Huh. Getting there. Alright, so keep posted. Subscribe if you like it. Share with your friends. Put a thumbs up. Give me some comments if you like. See what you want to see. Tell me what you want to see. Until then, I'll keep cleaning and keep you posted. No worries. Thank you.